Hey guys, Chase with TruAudio here. Today I'm excited to be able to introduce to you our brand new AS-360. It provides 360 degrees of amazing sound in any outdoor project. It features tap settings of 3 to up to 50 watts. It also has an 8 ohm tap setting as well. The AS-360 features a 6.5-inch downfiring poly woofer and 3 1-inch silk dome tweeters that surround the outside of the speaker for your 360 degree sound. The AS-360 features a wall mount base, but you can remove it and also use our included ground stake. If you'd like to use the included ground stake, first take the stake and remove the nut to get access to the included insert. Next, you're going to want to actually remove the base of the AS-360. Next, take the insert with the stake nut still on it and use the included screw that you'll find inside of the packaging to then mount it to the bottom of the AS-360. You'll want to use the keyholes to make sure that the insert lines up on the bottom of the AS-360. From there, you are ready to install the ground stake. Thanks for watching this introduction on the AS-360. For more information, visit TruAudio.com.